Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change the settings from PC, Mac and Linux Standalone to Android. The difference between those two is like the PC Mac and the PC Mac games, like while you create them, they only have the WASD controls and the arrow marks. If you make it Android, you can use it in touchscreen devices also, like phones, iPads, tablets and stuff. So first go to File, Build Settings, and you can choose any of these. I'm going to choose the Android one. So then click on switch platform. Yeah, now it's Android here. Yeah, you'll see Android here, and now you can create the touchscreen game. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.